So my people, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So here I go on my people. Dyema and Dawg kick off wicked. You feel me? I say, I'm gonna tell you now why them kick off. Maybe we're not gonna see it in the title. But my people, we feel like so this was a big misunderstanding and people jump to conclusion and that caused this for go on. So we're gonna get into that, my people. Want to run through that one quick and fast, cause it's late, you know what I mean? We also have Shibada explain the rebel situation. We're gonna share that with Unda scene, and we also have Redant's baby mother respond back to him after him respond to what she said. So I'm gonna share that to Unda. You know what I mean? And go on my opinion on the situation. These are the things I have to share with you right now. So I say, maybe I add other things to it as we go on. But for now, this may have so make we get in it.
Like you're in the all same way. You're like you're in my all same way. And every time I try force with the man, I force him way. He must say, yes, me have a man on my yard. And me not have no man on my yard. Just to show you, say, yeah, say, me bring in man. I'ma say, yo, here we go on. If life have to work, it have to work, you know. Life have to move on. But it could have come like, say, basically, I see me in my house, same way. I'm gonna have the heart there for bring a next man coming at the house. You understand? And then when you have the heart, you wicked little liar piece of shit. You wicked little liar piece of shit. You see how that boy like, alright guys, look here. You claim to say me bring in man come in 6 months. 6 months, yeah, that you say. 6 months. And the baby a grind. So your blood clot you do other rest of time I come here. Why you come here? You know there is a man here. That me want to know, you know a man a come here. Why you come here? No, mama, me no want to. No, sir, me no want nothing for them. Me no want to mind me picnic. Me will mind me picnic as best as possible me can. Me not have to take him go court a waste of time that mama. So oh you know all of them drama there. I me a get night tone enough to know say don't rampant me girl picnic. You see me girl picnic? Yeah. Yeah, when you combo me girl picnic youth, you combo the lady girl picnic. Yeah, him better. But he might get where him still deserves. Suck your mother, come off of this. One in a door ramped me. Don't come over here, so. Don't come over here, so when you see me a chat, girl. Don't come over here, so. Don't come over here, so. The fuck you come talk about? Don't come over here, so man. Come off of this, man. You're not supposed to depend this. Come off of this. And so some of you women are crosses, you know. Now come on this with this. Yeah, and I say, me don't come mix me with no people, but man, hey girl, come off of this. Because Bill want fake page again. Because Bill a next page. Come off of blood clot this. Me a talk about my daughter, you say, you come here, so girl. I trade even know my heart heavy. Don't fucking come here, so. Don't come about you when you hear me a chat, girl. How what you want to hear me on top of my blood clot voice when you hear me a chat about my daughter blood clot, girl. Now come on this. Me a talk about me pickney. And me pickney me a talk about. You come fucking a chat about your mad like a talk about Anna and blood clot bread and suck out their mother. Girl go on here, man. You come chat when me a talk about my daughter, yeah? My daughter more precious to me than any blood clot other thing. Don't come ram. No man, no man. Mama, me a do my thing, man. Me a do my thing. Him can't draw me out. But when I come talk about, I gotta talk about. Yeah, when I talk about is about me bringing man. And for sure you say, no. Me bringing man, so why the hell with the 6 months you're there here and you never come see a man? And you sleeping here the night and the man not come at the yard. Why the fuck is that? Me get up and me look for breakfast gear the morning. Oh, the man. And oh, my phone no ring and the man no call me. Hey boy, if you know what you know, you know, tap it on the app, you know. Stop it on the app. Stop going like say you can come and run no joke with people. Stop it on the fucking app. Don't come talk about my daughter. You go come talk about say me bringing man for my daughter and she have a room on there. She have a room on there. And I like so we sleep on the one bed. All the time she blood clot sleep around here, so almost when our stepfather gone to work and a night shift him dep on. Me and our brother sleep around here. This little boy, I don't know what God I gotta do to you, you know. But we need to combine and pray for you. Yeah, man. We need to come on and pray for you. Right. One boy can't wicked, so. One boy can't wicked, so. That my one walk. Yeah, man, I keep the faith, man. Ain't one boy.
So people, you know, so I can't find the video. I look for the video so till I can't find. I don't know if it lost in my gallery or but I tell you say I have the video with Red Ants. It's never too long neither. We just have a little clip with him. I talk about this woman here. You know what I mean? And some of the things where she come say about him. He must say she did even go, you know what I mean, insane couple time. And you know what I mean, I be a lie she a tell and a bag of things him did a talk. Me can't quote everything what him did a say, right? But if I find the video, I go put it up some other time. But this is what she a say about him. I don't know if I go find the video by time I don't go to this. If I don't find it, then I go get it. But if I find it, I go put it in it, you know what I mean? So she said some whole heap of things about him earlier on, you know, my people, and I share that with Unda in the previous video. And now this is what she has said. Is it make a Red Ant did I say she carrying man and them something there and a bunch of things. So she right now I give for her side. So let me know what you think. We not dwell here so too long. Got a video I do it quick and fast and we have other things to share.
Bro. See? In mother lose couple screw, bro. Whole heap. I mean not talk about go round thing, bro. Her head, she's not, bro. She mad out already. She mad out 2 or 3 times already. Like head going. That's why I not go follow her up on the media. That's why every time when she come out here, so bro, me not follow her up on the media, bro. See? That's why, bro. I'm afraid that she hurting my child, bro. You see me? So when me call my mother and say, Mommy, can you get to this lady so I can get me youth something? No matter how much people No matter how much people we call in your surrounding, your brother them, your family member them, bro, if you get to me youth, you don't want to talk to nobody, you don't want to connect with nobody, if you make sure me can get to me youth. You say you have a man in the youth life. Me and you left the youth, me left up there when the youth are 6 months old. And not even 2 weeks after you have a man in the house with a fucking baby when not even can talk and a fuck around him. You fuck around even your daughter. Your daughter we are 14. Or 13 or 14. You fuck man in the house around the two little pitney there. See it? Me not address nothing of that. Me not care about you and your man. Me talk about me youth. Me avoid problem by doing this. Getting to my mother, where me can send her money through PayPal to the bumbuckler card overseas, make she can send it through MoneyGram con give. Cause you talk about how money go foreign and come back to Jamaica. Yes, it goes through PayPal and goes to American card, then it sends through MoneyGram and come to you like regularly usually do. So when you feel say mommy didn't send money con give all the while, I might like a months where me a squeeze. And send go give mommy if you send. Don't talk, don't tell her say me, make she have it that way there. Me don't tell her say me, I don't care, make she have it say me not give nothing, it could. Don't come on the internet with that bullshit, bitch. Cause me not like it. And months now me I try to get to my pitney and you not even try. You block everybody. Everything when me try to go towards me youth, you block. My brother come to Jamaica soon and I plan to carry down clothes and things for the youth. Yeah, talk about if somebody come in your yard and mash it, you come out there with idiot girl. You know say you're mad. You know say you're mad. If you people them want come team come give him something, how you fi bring violence to them? You idiot? Are you sick? You sick in your head? Come off of the internet with your done self, man. When you talk things, talk logics, man. Me can't take it dunceness, brother. You understand what I say? The person who attack know who me attack. That's all me have to say, bro. Stop everybody down there for my name already, bro. And then you come and go on like you can come bring me down understand, bro. Go brother when me I left on a 60 dog left in a bumbo clapping over there. No remember I might have them and I sign them the pan ears, you know. You sell out the whole of you have them in there. You forgot? You forgot? You afraid to talk them thing there? You forgot? When you all your people ever fight against bumbo clap and thinking how much millions me spend over this upon your pen? Eh? How much money me spend over that bumbo clap and pen and hog feed and give a girl? Eh? You know how much time I restock shop and they run down to nothing because you're big pussy bad mind family them? That's why I left, bro. You didn't have too much man fucking in one community. This why I left, bro. When me say millions, millions. I 3 bumbo clap people me max out before me stone red answer. Dan me name 3 fucking people me max. Max! And a 5,000 limit for each people. No boy and our girl not tell me nothing around this. All the money me spend over that. No! Where she can't believe say me put a bumbo clock do. And me still in a house and do that. Fuck me a girl don't come go on like you can't come use your head for bumbo clock man for this pussy. I want to hear man. 1 week me take for me that make 300,000 fix up streaming room every bumbo clock thing, tile out everything. And if you didn't go on good bro, your whole fucking house where you build would have finished up. Window everything would have go in. But cause me say you're bad mind youth. And me say me not there no way for a female place youth. Me I can hitch up in a family yard and I build up things like me a fucking idiot. It just hurt you. Be me a talk be. It just hurt you. Say me move on. And me tell you one day say me I gonna move on. You hear that? They tell you say me I gonna move on bro. And that is it bro. And I ease off of my name for the media man. My mother call round the clock to get to the youth. Just to get a little thing go give the youth. You talk about you don't want nothing from this. So stop come for me that can talk like me not doing it for me youth girl. I want to hear man. Come off of my name. And black bumbo club mommy say you can't get money for the youth. If you don't want nothing from we, stop talk about we. Simple as that brother. I want to hear my friend. No want nothing from me, what you talk about me for? You don't want nothing for the youth, what you talk about me for? The woman call somebody where you know youth and tell her say yo, my brother come down and I bring some things for the youth and you bring violence. And the man, my mother will help you out so much youth. When they on your face youth. Me see I have a Dianca where man do so much fabro. come talk about mommy not do nothing and this and that. All you have a heart in a youth. You have a heart in a youth. Let me tell you this, ungrateful people in a dog. Ungrateful people in a dog. Let me tell you, say ungrateful people youth now go nowhere. God now make people like you strive youth, ungrateful people youth. Me I tell you, from my heart. Me not like a bone in a young man. Remember say he must get big enough. He must get big enough. Popsy can stay running. You could have burning in brain saying I have no father. He must get big. And watching me there I know say yo yeah. I read answer my daddy. Remember me tell you that bro. You hear me tell you? Remember him have to get big. So all when you want keep him away from me bro. Him have to get big brother. So how long you can keep him away from? You come for me about you never didn't get no help and this and that. I want to hear my friend, if you don't want nothing from where you're on the media talk about, bro. Eh? Where you're on the media talk about, bro. Everybody a bring me down. And you don't have nothing more if you come out and do more than bring me down to, bro. That alone, where you don't hate the greatness, where you see me left around you and I strive in a life, bro. Look better in a youth when me there around you, me look ugly in a bumbo clat, man, live in a Riverton, man, live in a barefoot youth. Eh? Night and day youth. I want to hear my friend. You just burn you. Jealousy rip out your heart. No matter amount of man you fuck, you can't find one like me. Cause you never see a real youth like me yet, bro. Never yet, bro. Never yet. So if you don't want nothing for me mother or me, bro, come on find me, the brother. And love me name out of your mouth, brother. Please. Me see all that talk about the baby, brother. You have baby. You have chooks in your hand. You have chooks, popsicle in your hand, bro. And popsicle say, oh, police, mommy, police. So you know me feel fuck up. All I'm going to hear more pick me voice, bro. Because all I'm going to hear more you advise you. I want to tell you, lady, if you don't want anything from me, you block everybody for me. When me try to get to you from. Me literally make you make a gold card. And not even a gold card me can't get towards to send a money through. Lady, leave me alone. Me no want you. You can't do nothing for me want you. Nothing at all. Leave me alone. You have your man, popsicle up there, no want nothing for me. Come on.
Alright, so see the video here, my people, I find it. You know what I mean? You did it in my gallery. But here what go on now, my people. Seeing this one I go say, he go for man and he go for woman. Seeing know who you are breed for and know who you are breed. You see me I say? Because the same person where you meet is when that become baby mother and baby father, it's different. Too much time we see woman and man good, and when a baby born, everything just fall apart. Me don't know why. You see me I say, but baby mother and baby father quick for left after the youth born. Me don't know what make. You see it, but you have to know the person who you are breed and the person who are breed for you. That's all I can say. You know what I mean? Make a watch some more my people, because as I say, I cut that one short, I do that one quick and fast.
The bumbo clat internet, yeah, last go gold card, brother. Me could have just literally got the money grandma and say send the money through there. Not even that. Lady, leave me alone, brother. Come on for the internet, enough people don't depend me already. You hear that? So leave me alone, brother. Please. Me I beg you. Leave me the fuck alone. Unblock the youth grandmother. Making can get things. I know you me a get nothing. I know you me a get nothing, bro. You hear that, my friend? It does hurt you. Because everybody a talk about me youth a jacket and some look at that waste man over there. So I push some things to people think say a real thing, bro. Me just humble. Because I not for proof to no man. Time will tell. You hear that, me tell you, my friend? Time will tell and show on this, brother. I have to come out as a can show on a result. Me see the bumbo clat where me see. And that's it. I feel me bumbo clat youth. I mean I ask Christ. And I go see that time will blood clot tell. You hear me tell you now? So you see you at all now. We have my next youth, bro. Let me tell you this. You say you don't want nothing for me, stop talk about me on the media, brother. Cause if you not talk about me, you get zinc over that pussy. Don't talk about me. Don't come on the media and talk about me. None at all, bro. That me I tell you. I mean, you know, who am I come call all across this girl this morning for you to win, bro? Who am I call a girl for to win, bro? As me turn somebody there for me, bro. No allow me alone, brother. Bumbuckler, bro. Fuck do man, me sick of it, my friend. Bumbuckler red dance. As you turn like a turn right red dance. No allow me alone, brother. Every fucking thing, red dance this, red dance that, red dance this, brother, don't allow me alone. Bumbuckler. If I'm in a real life, a bumbuckler on TikTok. If I'm a TikTok or YouTube. If I'm a YouTube or Instagram. Don't allow me the fuck alone. Bumbuckler, you see me there for number 1 and number 2 run a TikTok and make millions of dollars, man. Don't allow me, bro. Pressure bust your pussy, Johnny. Go push a pipe on your pussy and sit down on it till your belly bust. Big stinking girl. But pressure bust what? Cause like pussy, you not come in a man life for one bumbuckler day. You not found a mother out in a pussy. Tell me, I tell me, you know. One day you live in a man bumbuckler life in a pussy, you not mad out, you know. Tell me, I tell you that, you know. Fuck do no man. Bumbuckler, bro. One day you not go in a man life, you not mad out, pussy. You not have the blood clot. Resilience, so man have, you not have that youth. Fuck do the youth. If you see a bumbuckler and a strong man, strong for some things that chat about bumbuckler man, youth a man be a madam around us, bro. And they also see me a youth. Fuck do no, bro. Pussy you have no resilience and the long bumbuckler time. You see the long run, I go show no. That me I tell you no. Fuck do no, brother. Biggie that girl come on internet to go and make bull bumbuckler shit, bro. Love for my name, brother.
Your career global, at that me want know. Has it ever been Caribbean? At that me want know. Wait there, your career parish? Or your career Kingston? Me just want know, can your career close for you? Oh. Are you alone talented? Nobody else don't know in the world, and nobody else in this world don't know how your career is still. Are you alone have a bright view of your career? Share it now. Share it. Share it. Yeah, only community alone know. But I said that this morning. I said if you're not under the covenant of Jesus Christ, don't open the Bible in a public and talk about, yeah, read scripture. These are all the stuff I've been saying, you know. These are all the stuff I've been saying. You understand me? When I hear me talk about Rosealee and her dirty house, everybody see Rosealee dirty house already. You use Rosealee as a prop for persons out there living like her. That's all you have to do. Say Rosealee want to hear me talk, I'm going to say, when you look on a mother like her, Rosealee now, who on the internet, and you know who splashy and dash, we can make reference. It's called similes. We can make reference to a girl where we know. Am I lying? Yeah, make reference, but they inner them feeling. It is true. It is true. Remember, Sana.
Alright, some people, this how me not like. You see me I say, people like rebel them. You have some people on the internet, when me see people accost them, me just look on the person who accost them as a tormented individual, you know, who just love to cuss people and not care who the person is. Me don't know what type of beef or anything Shibada and Rebel have. The person where you have view, you know what I mean, from your point of view, you cannot view this person as the best thing, but the next person, I view that person as one of the worst thing. Me don't know why. Rebel, me never see Rebel involved in a mix up passa fighting, you know what I mean, like fighting people and them with it. Seeing rebel to me is a girl where focus more on her dancing and for achieving her life, because where she a come from she don't want to go back, and she do it and make it out. The only time I see rebel in a pasa or with the spice thing, I can't remember if I did see anything more. Rebel is a humble person. That's how me view rebel. So for Shibada go for rebel, he might go for rebel. It's like it show an image of Shibada where, you know what I mean? It show like say yo, I'm a troublemaker. But I know everybody are gonna get the good side of a person. You know what I mean? So make me know what to think.
We are telling them it is true. But she wanted a moment. Sometimes when the rebel want to play a victim, she act dance. When the rebel want to play a victim, she act dance. I saw them state of them and nobody. Them and nobody. You come here upon and 4 people my have for sure something, and the only thing you show me say in the past week, I don't know how you get that. Like me did want to see. Me did want to see that. Me did want to see her bloom. Me did want to see her bloom. Honestly, me want to see your bloom, and that me didn't want to see your bloom. Yeah, like just stuff for true. It's true. Me want to see my bloom. You think me want to me? We don't want no one to sell crashes, and we don't hold on still a sell boom boom. How you get that? You ban opposite. Yeah? Can't crashes to sell when you're old and boom boom when you're young. But you see, because none of the head from enough foot, when we talk to you, I say, rebel, keep your own party. You know, when you do, I'm going to tell you, many persons don't see it, you know. Me, I tell you something. So own a little bit and show one. But this is where Franklin town I come from. I'm going to jump over gutter water before I go in my yard. Step over people's business before I go in my yard. Whether your bathroom water, you understand me, or your drawers water, or your clothes water, I have to step over your business before I go in. I don't know how my belly not hurt, man. Remember, you Mr. Rebel, make it make sense. Why you need a manager? When you don't have a name and road phone and stuff. Nobody narrates on them. This is the first thing nobody narrates on them because it's a set of dance. Who don't know nobody, who don't artists, who don't know, no celebrities, and here we know no celebrities, and nobody know too now use them. We can tell you how we know. So rebel, keep your own apart. We don't make a name for yourself. We don't make a name from before so till the spice pick up and say jiggle behind me. You understand me? And after spice drop, we don't still have a name. You get what me I say? We don't get to nobody all done. Beautiful. That's a plus to come in the world when you're in and out. But on the still on the channel, PTR, on the still on the channel. But anyways, moving right along. We notice on a branch out, on a branch off, on a branch off. Then rebel. In a hard year days from Yado, lot of peace and pants. Yeah, from Yado, all of them something there, rebel. You not getting a link. I just someone asking, at that point I want to make. You're not getting a link. Why you need Ramesh to manage you if you don't set yourself? Why you need Ramesh to manage you? Where did Ramesh ever take you? Where never take chance here? Unbelievable stars, indescribable feeling, slowly tumbling, revealing through this dazzling diamond sky. I wish I could never carry on. Why you promise, girl? I don't know show you how she dance again. I never know so much something I did do, you know. I feel like I just done wash, cook, clean all bathroom, clean out the house, beard all the madman, them and the dog. I saw me feel a while ago, rather than peace and pass. Yeah, so when you come about my baby, tread like a always remember say this is a friendly cussing. I always remember say this is not really cussing and cussing, and I educate you. Me I educate you. Remember when I tell you say you don't need a management, but no, and then say you show what for me. I love my manager. I love my manager. Thank God me never born pretty, cause my face flexible. Yeah, man, I have a flexible face. I just circle. I can't help it. Why are you so concerned, Shabada? Leave the girl. Leave the good girl, the rebel alone. You are too bitter and you are too fast. What you doing over here? My bitter, why you staying here? You wanna purge? Just asking. You wanna purge? I say I come for God and eat on the skin. When I'm done with the internet, with the much case measles, chicken pox, and all of them, all bird flu, worse like when the container drop here. Huh? When I'm done with Uno, me are gonna everything to upset Uno. Remember the can't do me like rosealee, you know? I'm in a beg. Remember me in a beg. Remember me in a beg. Oh, the back the dance room in a way. Me don't know. Me not tell them like me just a talk shoot. Me not tell them no like. Me just a talk shoot. Make sure bring our career, cause we have a bar for bar. Make sure bring our career, come show me more rebel, show me a career because it's stopping at the ghetto. Remember say pure broke people no rebel career. Pure broke people. Me I don't know who did even hear say rebel dance in a half a tree if a peer go in and we go. Me know me I never did about do it. Nobody not pay for go watch that girl there dance. Them a pay for go the party and shit there. But the party them a pay for go. Me not ask for no. So when me a link with the truth, nobody come tell me down. Nobody come tell me down. Remember me say me bitter. So let me show you how bitter I can be with the truth.
Alright, some people, boy, she might have a dislike for rebel, a real dislike for rebel. Me don't know why. Alright, rebel is a girl where, as me say, mind her business and focus on her dancing career and making money and make sure say she elevate herself. And I love that about Rebel. Rebel are one of the person them where me sip on TikTok when not involve herself in the toxicity. Neither Swissley, and the two of them match up together. So it's like Shibada never want to see the two of them together as so me see it. You know what I mean? Because my people, this way. More and say, I lose my train of thought a while ago. I go say something. What me go say? Yeah, yes. Remember. So she a say, him a say, me a say she, you know. Yeah, she bada say, rebel is a person where nobody now go on a party if you see, and I lie that. You see me I say? Lie that maybe now our career kind of trickle down and dip on a balance, you know. But you see last year and the year before, Rebel did a post up like our calendar for the shows them what she booked for, and most of the show them of the main she had the main attraction. She bother say boy maybe them just keep a party and them invite her, so not really she bring the crowd, you know what I mean. Like people don't go to the party and then book her for the party. No go so. You see me I say Rebel attract people because she can dance. She actually can dance. You know what I mean? This girl dedicated her life to dancing. So me not see nothing like me not see the reason why she bother to tear her down. I just saw it look to me. But me know one thing with people. We're gonna move on to the next thing.
Pay for go watch her dance, but we don't come here start talk X and talk Y and talk Z. perfect example of the truth. You want me to tell you why? You not only can defend her for free, but you will never support her with cost. True or false? All the only way I state a defense, if only did I support the child, but couldn't stung her, so I remind her of her unfortunate. So make it make sense. Don't tell me leave the girl, go support the child. Go support rather than peace and passport. Go support the child. But I never know. Support her career. Exactly. So no, so no come on and kick up and reel up. You're bad man for una bad man the child. Una deceive the child. Oh Judas. The child that foreign and no not to be invite her at the stick and see if she dance. Rather than no look here. Rather than peace and pass. Yeah. So you see it? Well, I can't say my bad man because I've always been educating this child. And you know, sir, she's not the only one doing it. In a 2020, Shensia dropped a Batman for trial class, man. But she would drop a Batman and Batman end up a prison. One know where Donald Trump are going to do with it because the goalie have come. You know, so the goalie have flood from the other day.
There was a shipping container that recently showed up on the shore in Jamaica. I have family in Jamaica. And for everybody else who has family in Jamaica or anyone out there vacationing, I do not recommend anyone eat that meat. Nothing is free. So if you've seen the video go viral recently in the last 24 hours and you know someone, please encourage them, do not eat that meat out of the shipping container. We have had many stories over the last few years related to shipping containers. And for whatever reason, this one not only showed up, but was easy to open. That is a red flag.
I'm going to flood the mattress.
Well, one sheet.
Come on, there. Now, some not world that can do secret to blood clot me. That the good blood clot book. Me name in the good blood clot book. Yeah, me no argument, road, me no trouble the man road. When me look power, go man, some must go power, pop the balloon something. When me look power, one scream record, and the man me hear, I go tell Mansa say, you don't go pop the balloon, and the man never talk, feisty. Hear him, monster. For your fuck Dyema, you can't fuck anybody. You say I bring him and I bring me down road. What I mean by that?
Never do that. You can't do that. Like you can't do that. I'm wrong.
Fucking out of and face.
And he have
no, me not trouble people. Well, no, me not trouble people. Anything because of them trouble me. You know me not trouble people.
You know that because me never in an argument with the on TikTok long enough.
Paper, moderator, somebody
come on. I don't like when nobody disrespect him, woman. So all you come and bring down another female.
And call for. You can't do the man a big one, you can't do that. And if you start liberty wife, no, you hear where this or that.
All of Janika last girl in the world, me not there with that. Me have too much shame. Cause first thing, me disrespect you too much. No, I'm not after me.
And nobody can tell on about the woman. Nobody can tell on about the
woman. What is a fish dad? What is a fish dad?
And him baby mother blood clot my trash.
I will bed.
You don't see blood clot fire red. You don't see fire red fucking woman ducky. You don't see fire red. You don't see fire red fucking woman ducky woman and put him up behind the pit and the woman and everybody that blood clot one.
It's still on some. I don't know what to
people. Hey, what we can't buy this a Wi-Fi. You can't Wi-Fi. Who bought the Congo on your mouth wall? Where that go suck out the woman patch left right and center. Where that go dive down in your mother. Are you trouble me? Pussy. Are you set up Willie Batty boy? You think Willie Batty boy, you set up Willie. Let me tell you when do Willie again. Come let me tell you when blood clot the Willie road. All wicked blood clot, dirty pussy hole. Hey, me want me buy for. You not hear me? Come on, me attack me now.
Yeah, man, Dyema, we are here, man. We are here, Dyema. Yeah.
Come on, me attack me now. It. Come on, me attack me now. Blood
Yeah,
clot.
yeah, Dyema.
Blum there, man. He thinks I will go get blood clot the port. Yes, when the baby mother fi help, Willie. Yes, when the baby mother fi help, Willie. The boy run up and down in the baby mother and tell the baby mother fi not help Willie. The baby mother follow blood clot. The boy not help Willie and they think Willie will go get the port. What are you frightened and see Willie not foreign? You wicked pussy hole, you say. What word dog? I sacrifice word dog, sacrifice blood clot, Joe.
Me know.
Dog.
Me tell them already.
Sacrifice Joe for rich. Drunk.
Me tell them already.
Come start with me.
Me tell them.
Body. You understand? Me sit down and see how you come. I wanna make you man. I wanna woman drag me like a dog. We all we did live in that one house here. You see that one house here? Oh, no see where all of them run from? You all we did live in the one house. All Hodian did live in the one house here where you see right here so. Where you see all of them run from. You understand? But me I tell you say the day will come. Well, one day. You understand me? When I go run back to that same place here. I mean, I wish no bad for no. Me just no want to see no go jail. I mean, no want to see none of who they don't a dead house. Because me I tell you say every time me look on the phone and me get a phone call, me always I think if anyone a who no. You understand? A lot of people not understand me when me talk. Me make you not understand this. You see, one time my son there with the woman, I couldn't choose him. I can't choose none of me pitney them. I never choose me pitney them. You hear them I tell you, say me put out me pitney them. As God live it. You know the wrong thing me think me do? Me no go out with friend and company. So, like if me I go have a drink, my bigger son would have come with me. You understand me? Me feel like a them there's something there. You understand what me I say? Me do as a mother when me wrong. You understand me? Me can always see things when me do wrong and talk about it. Right? Me close to me pitney them bad. Me no go out with people. Me no rather go out with my bigger kids them. You understand? When my son
Alright, so first I want to talk about the World Dawg thing you know, see? World Dawg did not diss Dyema. World Dawg did not diss Dyema. Dyema interpret what World Dawg say wrong. And that's why you see some of the time, you know, my people. Yeah, alright, when you ever play that game here, when I go to school, when the teacher line up couple of you, tell one something, and the next one tell, and the next one tell, and the next one tell. You see me I say, sometimes I forget, some of the time I interpretation. You understand? So World Dawg say what him say, Dyema don't get the full grasp of what World Dawg say, like she don't understand what him say. The man say, you're there with Dyema. You can get any girl you want. Tell me people in the comment section right now. I want to pause the video and tell me what to say in the comment section, because I'm going to go to the what me I say I know. See? Tell me what to say. What do you think that was a disrespect or a compliment? Pause it, type it in the comment section. I'm going to see who a dummy, who dunks from who bright. See, and you know take a bright person. If you know this, me feel like say Dyema just at for World Dawg for the longest while, because them kick off already and the Willie situation and where she come say about Willie and World Dawg and Ray. So me feel like she at for World Dawg, so she not take the time to listen what World Dawg really say. World Dawg say you're there with Dyema, so you can there with anybody you want. What that say? That's put Dyema up on a pedestal. Dyema not say that. Dyema no see say the man put him way up there, because the man say from you there with Dyema you can there with anybody. That means say you are the top of 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 the at the top. You don't understand that, Dyema? That means say you're there way up there, because if him can get the chance for there with you, that means say nobody else no value nothing with him can there with, because him there with you. You are the top of the top. See? So that no disrespect, that a compliment to Dyema. You understand? So people want to tell me if me interpret it the wrong way, because people always say, boy, me always pick up for real dog, but you have some people on social media where you take on to. A long time real dog I do them thing before majority of them people, yeah. So me kinda, you know what I mean, woulda say woulda bias when it come to real dog sometime. But me I go speak the truth. You know what I mean? But more want to tell me in the comment section if I ever me a chat. I compliment the man, compliment Dyema. It no call, this no call for we go on. But me feel like say other things that Dyema do what she do. But me know what I think the people. And you know, and they say like I you them, me can't remember what Annie said just now. But she has say like the youth them are gonna come back there, so they say the whole of them did there, and if them mash up or whatever, right, they say them a come back. People, we have to learn in our life, even when we're mad at we youth them, we don't say certain things, because you have to remember, you know, man, word, sound and power in a virgin. You know what I mean? Certain things where you say, we bring down your youth them, you know, and mash up them, you know. You understand? You have to speak life in your youth them and upliftment, no matter if you're mad at them. Do not speak certain things. You don't want them come back this a virgin. You want them come back there so come visit, yes, but no mash up and draw come there because them wounded the road and them not make it in a life. No, you have to bring down your family, virgin. You can't say that. You have to speak, you know what I mean? You have to speak upliftment to your youths them. And you know what people are right, so me I end, because me I go to that video quick and fast, so let me know what you think.